This is lesson video number 6. In this lesson, we'll be going over the C chord on page 14 of your book. A basic chord is made up of 3 notes or triad. All chords build on top of the bottom note or root. On top of the root, we have what's called the third of the chord. And on top of the third, we have the fifth of the chord. So a chord is made up of 3 notes called the root, the third, and fifth. Let me show you in case of C chord. In the C chord, the note C is the root of the chord, the lowest note. The third of the chord is the note E. And the fifth of the chord is the note G. Here's my C as a root, E as the third, and G as the fifth. So the C chord is made of a triad of the notes C, E, and G. Using the C 5-finger position that we learned in the previous lesson, we're going to put our finger number 1, thumb on C, 3 on E, and 5 on G. So here's your root. This is your third. This is your fifth. I want you to note that the notes of the chord are the alternating or odd notes of the C 5-finger position. On the left hand, we have 5th finger on C, 3 on E, your thumb on G. Again, I want you to remember the notes of the chord are alternating notes in the C 5-finger position. Because we start with the C as a root, we skip D, we play third, the E, and we play the 5th note, the G. All chords are made up of 3 notes called the root, third, and fifth. This is what you need to remember. Now, I'm going to introduce 2 different types of chords. One is called block chords, and the other one is called broken chords. Block chord is made up of notes in a chord that are played simultaneously, all together. When you play C, E, and G all at the same time, I get a block C chord. When you play block chords, make sure you only drop those 3 fingers down. 1, 3, 5 for right hand, 5, 3, 1 for left hand, simultaneously. Block chord. A broken chord is made up of the same notes as a block chord, but the notes are played one at a time, like this. C first, then E, then I'll play my G, one at a time in succession. So this is what I call a broken C chord. Let me show you one more time. Broken C chord starts with the C, move to E, G. If I want my block C chord, I'll play it at the same time, simultaneously. Easy. So 2 types of chord, broken and block. The last thing that I want to show you is a musical sign from this page. This sign is called the repeat sign. Here's the sign with the 2 dots. So what you see is a double bar line with the 2 dots in front. This is what we call the repeat sign. When you see a repeat sign, it means you have to play again. Simply means you repeat. For this example piece, Gentle Waves, we have repeat sign placed at the end. So when you play this piece, you have to play from the beginning all the way to the end, and you're not done. This means you have to repeat the whole piece from the beginning again. So Don't forget, a repeat sign means to repeat. And this is how repeat sign looks like. Okay, that was hopefully an easy sign to remember. And you may see the repeat sign in the future. Thank you for watching my video.